Welcome to Learn Law with Saiful. Today we'll explain what limitation period means in civil cases, how long you have to file a case, and why timing is important. What is limitation period? The limitation period is the time limit within which a civil case must be filed. If you miss it, the court can reject your case, even if your claim is strong. Legal sources: Limitation Act, 1908. Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, Order 7 Rule 6, plaintiff must mention if suit is within time. Examples of limitation periods: type of suit and time limit. Recovery of money, contract, 3 years, Article 115. Possession of immovable property, 12 years, Article 144. Mortgage recovery, 12 years. Suit for declaration, 6 years. Enforcement of decree, non-money, 12 years. Money decree, 6 years. Note: period starts from the date the cause of action arises, when your right was violated. Can time be extended? Section 5 of Limitation Act. Court may allow late filing for appeals or revisions if sufficient cause is shown. Not applicable for original suits. Effect of expiry: if limitation period is over, your plaint can be rejected under Order 7 Rule 11, D, CPC. Thanks for watching Learn Law with Saiful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.